What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to put a 2026 Kia K5 into neutral without the vehicle being on. So if you come in here just as it sits right now, even if you press the brake, you can't move the shifter. It's locked into place. But if we take a look to the left of the shifter, you can see this little piece here that says Shift Lock Release. What you're going to want to do is get a small flathead screwdriver and then come in here, and there's a little bit of a notch right here that will allow you to get that screwdriver in. And this plastic piece will come straight up like that and move out of there. Once we get that piece out of there, what I'm going to do is press that button down, and then while I'm pressing that button down, it will allow me to move the shifter like that to put it into neutral. And then once you're done doing whatever you need to do, this button will just pop right back on. It just pushes on like that. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.